Hey guys, and good evening, and welcome to another video. So it's almost a quarter till 10 p.m. right here, so it's kind of late. We're having a small session with some people right now, a live session, and yeah, we welcome you to join us. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure to check out our website www.tradewithben.com and look for any information which you want. Join us for a 2-day signal group for 25 euros, or get your 14-day free trial right here. Just click on the blue button, and once we're further, you can sign up with your first name, your last name, your email, and your phone, and just send it to us, and we will get you in the group ASAP. So we are ready to trade. We have our TradingView account over here on our other screen. Let's see which possibilities we have. So please prepare your trades: short-term, forex, and 60 seconds. So let's see what we can do, guys. Looking for some outbreaks over here. I'm seeing that there's a downwards trend on the euro, Japanese yen. It's not really a trend, but let's see what's going on. Let's start by putting a 25 euro trade, and let's go trade it, and let's see what will happen. So I think it's going to go down a bit, but it should recover because it's currently at the support level, and I'm seeing some possibilities on the GBP JPY, which also possibility of going up. So let's see what we can do over here. So perhaps this is the start of a trend, so we need to get that good in mind, and let's just trade it and go with it. So we have to prepare another trade for the Euro GP. Y to so high and 60, just to be sure that if we don't win it, that we can double up our money. And this trade is in the money. So GBP JPY. If you're interested in our strategy, please feel free to join us, and yeah, we can show you how we trade and what kind of strategies we use, how our analysis work. And I think that this is a downwards trend starting right here. Let's see, GBP APY. Yeah, this is most probably a downwards trend, so we're gonna go with the trend. And oh no, I'm sorry, it's not a trend. It's not a trend at all. Let's just wait and go. Let's see what will happen. So we've doubled up the second level of martingale. Don't really like using martingale a lot, but you know, sometimes you just have to cover up your losses. I see that the US dollar, Japanese yen also has some possibility. It's hitting support actually, but let's see, GBP JPY. So we should double up. For you guys it will be 30 right now, and for me it will be, I think, 150 euros. So GBP APY 150, and let's wait what's going to happen. So let's see, guys. It's quite recovering, so we have 12 seconds left, and currently still in the money. So I think we won this trade. I don't think that is something will happen. US dollar, Canadian dollar, 62%. So there's a possibility it will recover right now, but I'm not going to trade it because 62% just ain't worth it. US dollar, Swiss franc also. I think we're quite late for that trade, but let's see what will happen if we prepare it right now. And so we're only 4 minutes in this session, and we already have almost 50 euros in profit. dollar Swiss franc is currently hitting resistance. Okay, so I think there's a downtrend starting because it hit resistance, and there are already two red candles going down. So let's see what will happen. So when it recovers, I will trade down, or no, let's just wait what would happen with this candle. Okay, no, just high, guys, and buy it. Let's see what will happen right here. So I think this one is going to recover quite quickly right now because it's hitting support a bit. And the euro, oh sorry, where is it? So I get quite confused sometimes. Euro Swiss franc, high. And let's see what it will do right now. So it's quite in the money for now, so let's hope for the best. And let's already look for new trades while we have an eye on our previous trade to see if we have to double up to cover our losses. Yeah, so guys, for everyone, we have a lot of strategy videos we have prepared for you, and we will try to uploading it this week, so please be patient. And yeah, we won the trade, so you don't have to double up. And let's see, because the GBP APY is preparing, is going to hit support probably. So let's see what is going to happen. The US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so unfortunately there's a good possibility for this, but 62% just ain't worth it. So the Australian dollar, US dollar also, it hit the minor resistance level, and presumably it will go down, so try to check that out. And the euro USD is showing quite some possibilities, so perhaps we can go with a down trade. And go, guys. So let's see what will happen. So for now it is still going down, but I have a feeling that the current resistance line is going to be a support line, so we need to keep that in mind. Euro USD, so let's see, it's for the down, but we won't buy it, we'll just wait what will happen. So there's quite some movement going on everywhere. Australian dollar, US dollar has quite some good possibilities. So till now we're breaking even on our previous trade, Euro USD. And it is going down like I saw because it hit resistance. So let's hope it will go down further because it hit minor resistance, a level which has been tested twice, not 3 times. So 3 times is a major resistance and 2 times is a minor resistance line. And we won that trade too, guys. So we're having a good trade. Let's see how many trades we made till now, because 28, so we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, which 4 are in the money and 1 out of the money, but we recovered it right here. So let's continue trading. We're already 70% in profit, 70 euro in profit right now. If you started with your low balance, then you should be approximately like 30 euro in profit right now, or a little bit less, maybe 20 euro. So let's see if we can hit that 1600 for this short evening session. And yeah, let's see. So market is quite slow right now, so not much of volatility, not much movement. So let's see how we trade with this, with these circumstances. So basically, it's difficult to say that we have 4 in the money and 1 out of the money, like 4-5, because actually the one which was out of the money, we recovered it with another trade. So probably it would be like 5-5, right? That's what I would say. But then again, we're currently in profit, so that's good. And I have to be honest with you that currently these evening sessions, like when we trade personally, our individual traders, that it has quite good circumstances to trade. There's not much movement, so you can kind of predict what's going to happen. And I believe that your indicators are much more reliable right now. Like when if I would trade in the morning, then even if the RSI would say, hey, for example, that it's overbought or anything, even when it hit 90, it will just keeps on rising, or when it breaks out the Bollinger Bands, it will just keeps on breaking out. So a lot of movement is kind of stressing, but I think that low movement is kind of good. So US dollar Japanese yen has a possibility of going up. It's near the support line, so let's just trade with this and see what will happen. The RSI is not optimal and it didn't hit it yet, but let's just see what will happen. We'll try to recover if it's not good. And yeah, so for now, not so many movements, so that is good and that is not good. But yeah, let's see US dollar Japanese yen. Let's prepare our double up trade. I'm still looking at the chart for any other possibilities, but till now there's nothing. So you see that support and resistance is so important. I mean, it's one of the best indicators, I would say, and it's very reliable. So let's see what will happen. We are 9 seconds left with 2 pips out of the money. So let's just wait what will happen. Will it go up or will it go down? I think we've lost that trade, so we're gonna go for another trade, which currently is recovering, I hope. But let's go with another trade just to prepare ourselves for any losses. And yeah, I really hate going with more than level 3 with martingale, but then again, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, and we really have to recover losses, so that's much more important. So if you are at a broker which have €5 trades, that is great, because 25 euro trades, like level 3 is already 150 euros, so that's not good, and I'm seeing a big dip right now, so I'm going to trade this dip, just trade it up, and let's see what will happen. If it recovers twice, that would be perfect, but I think that we've lost this one because it dipped too much. But then again, we have level 3 right now, and let's see what happens. So look at this trade. So it goes in the money and it goes out of the money, and that's just trading. Like, that's just how it goes, guys. US dollar Japanese yen. So this trade is not going very good till now. But let's just wait what will happen. A high 375, so it just keeps going down, and I see that a trend started. So well, that's not good, guys. So I would say don't trade anymore, just wait for me to recover my losses, and don't go further than level 3 martingale. That would be for you guys €30. So that's just bad, but try to minimize losses, and let's see what will happen right now. So we should try to recover right now because it hit support a lot of times, and yeah, so let's see what happens. 20 seconds left. Until now it's looking good with 10 pips in the money, almost 20 pips. So let's see, guys. So 4 seconds left, and yeah, we have recovered this trade, thank God. We got our money. So let's see. So you see, just to make money you really need money, you know. There's this saying, I think in Chinese, that who doesn't have a cent isn't worth a cent. So this is kind of accurate if you look at how you have to trade these days, because you know, covering up your losses is the most important strategy in trading, because you never know what the market has in mind for you. So we're 100 euros in the money. So for you guys, it should be around 10 euro if you didn't double up, and if you did double up, you're at 50 euro right now. So yeah, let's see. So no many movements. So I really hate showing this to you guys, like going to level 4 martingale, 1 2 3 4, but this is just the truth, you know. I don't Photoshop my things like a lot of people will add their source code and adjust their balance or adjust these things, you know. But you know, this is just how it goes, this is just how we trade. And you know, I really like to show you guys how it is, without any lies or whatsoever. So I'm gonna change my over here. So I'm gonna change one chart because I won't trade the US dollar Canadian dollar, that's just too low. So I'm gonna change it to New Zealand dollar and US dollar. It's also 70%. So it's quite bad to see 70%, you know, because when you go to Highlow you have much more ratings, if I'm not mistaken. For now it's not so high because it's evening. 74, 64, that's, now this is really bad. So let's stay on the short-term trades, and let's see what we can do right more. So we have made 100 euro profit in this session. So we have added approximately like 7 or 8% to our balance. Let's see if we can make that 10%. So for 10% we would have to make like 50 euro more, 2 more trades, and let's see, you know, perhaps GBP USD is hitting resistance right now. If you guys are still following me, please write something in chat so I know if I'm going too fast or too slow. So buy it right now, it's at a good height, and it probably will go up a little bit more, but it will recover. Yeah, it will recover, I'm pretty sure it will recover. So GBP USD, we're going to trade that again, 60 double up trade to prepare our loss. And yeah, let's see what will happen. Okay, so it is going in and out of the money, but you see that it just went down 20 pips. Told you that it hit resistance and that it needs to go down. So I hope we don't have to double up that trade, but till now it looks good. So we have 6 seconds left. Oh, so it went up again, and we have prepared another trade. You see that the last second. I'll try to open it. The computer is very slow today. So you see how it went up with like, wow, 70, almost 30 pips up. That's amazing in just 1 second. So that's trading. That is trading. GBP US dollar. So it's still hitting resistance. I don't know why it's not going down. So I'm gonna prepare another trade just in case we don't get this. So we're at level 3 right now if we make this trade, but I hope we don't have to make it. And currently let's wait till the end and place it. So this is our level 3 martingale already. So this weekend we will analyze with our analyst about our strategy right now, because I think that this week we have gotten to level 4 martingale quite some time, so that is not how we like to trade. Like past month I didn't catch it once until yesterday. We had a very bad session. We hit martingale level 4 or 5 I think twice, and so we have to look what's going on, because there's something wrong with the strategy, and that is not the way we want to trade. So, you know, let's see what will happen. And yeah, it's still out of the money. This is bad news, man. So we have to go to level 4 once more. Buy it. So this is level 4 martingale, and yeah, you know, this is just live trading, guys. This is just how it goes. First of all, this is a good example of that you need money in your account so you can get as far as you can, because one time it has to hit the point you want it to hit. So we're hoping we will get this trade right now, and we'll just wait. It's 1 pips difference. It's too low. And let's see. Well, according to my analysis, it should go down because it hit resistance too many times, and it's trying to break resistance, but it can't. So I think we got it. Yeah, we got it finally. So you see, guys, that with trading you can lose all your balance, but you can also always try to recover it. So if you have money to go to level 10 martingale, probably you'll never lose, you know. But you know, this is trading, so I'm trying to put these videos up so you can see how stressing it can be and how emotional it can be. And so yeah, let's see if we can make another trade for you guys. And I'm looking at the market right now. GBP US dollar is making quite a downfall right now. So it just so it kept hitting resistance. I told you guys it's just hitting resistance, and now it made a very hard downfall. I hope you can see it in this chart too. Let's put this away because it's quite annoying. So I cannot zoom in, but we had difficulties over here, approximately over here, and you see how the downfall it made. Like it made a downfall of, I don't know how many pips, but that is approximately like, I don't know, 891 and 92, so approximately 30 pips. So it made a downfall of 30 pips. So I was waiting for that downfall, and it's pretty hard to calculate that downfall, but you know, there are some people who actually can. So like I said in previous video, there are some traders which I really respect, which are really like good traders, and most of them actually trade CFDs, you know, but I don't like the leverage and all. I just like binary options because you have much more in hand, and the more money you trade with, the more security you have. By the way, there's a trade coming up right now hitting resistance, so I'm just gonna put that trade up. The more money you have, the easier you can recover yourself, and the faster also, you know. So if I would have if this broker would accept €5 trades, I could have martingale like, I don't know, to level 8 probably, something like that. So the pound US dollar is making such a hard downfall, and I told you guys that it's hitting resistance, so it has to go down. and it is doing what I was hoping it would have done much earlier. So I'm going to prepare a double up trade for this one right here, because we don't have that much time left, and it is breaking resistance right now as we speak. So no, it's near resistance. It didn't break it yet, but it will soon. So I'm gonna buy it right now. Yeah, it's near resistance, so it's coming down any second. Let's just see how our trade will go on that trade. So it's making the downfall I hoped it would make, because it had hit resistance, and let's hope it will stay green for the coming 20 seconds. But let's just prepare a double up trade. So guys, I'm putting this video up in which we fail also, because I really want to see you how trading goes. Like really, I don't want to put fake videos up or whatsoever. This is just the way it goes, you know. So we have 2 seconds left. It's at 43, and I think we got this trade. Presumably we got it. Yeah, we got it. Thank God. So yeah, we're 140 money up in the up in our balance. So that is approximately 10%. So let's see what we can do more. So it's very nice to have these sessions in the evening, because I see that we have not so many people up there having a good chat on our other screen, and you know, everybody's happy making their money. And like I said 2 times already, you have to see the truth about trading, because a lot of people on YouTube or traders, they will just show you videos they get paid for, you know, and that is actually not the way we work. We don't get paid by any I don't know, company or whatsoever. We don't make commercials or any promotions for services like companies that have robots, or that they have like code FIBO and whatsoever. These companies who have trading signals, don't believe these guys. Like, they have an algorithm and whatsoever. Don't believe these guys. All you have to do is study the basics of trading. Study the indicators like the Bollinger Bands, the moving averages, support and resistance, one of the most important indicator for trading, the RSI, which is a good asset, and let's say the ADX, so I have to show, I'm sorry guys, I have to show you something. Like, I told you that it hit resistance and it just keeps on going down. It just keeps on going up and down. Look at this, look at this. So we were just like approximately, we were over here, so it's out of the screen, but look at where it gotten right now. It's now at, our trade was at 92, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 92. Yeah, approximately over here, and now it is over here 70. So it went down 30 pips in the money. That I told you it would hit resistance. We just had to wait, and I think we got in too early. So yeah, let me finish my story, because you need to know about patterns, you need to know about trends, you need to know how a graph works, you need to know how the indicators work, like the RSI, the support and resistance, how to draw the lines, the Bollinger Bands, moving averages, the ADX, average directional index, the stochastic, which is a very important oscillator. If you know these things, and you will see it in our new video, which we already recorded, we didn't upload it yet. If you know these things, then I can guarantee you that you will have a good basic in trading. US dollar, Swiss franc, quickly up, because it hit support. So let's see how we trade with that. We placed that trade a bit late because the new candle already started. So try to put your trade before the old candle stops. So like when you have 5 seconds left, place the trade, because the difference in money will put you in profit mostly. So that's when you have a good analysis, of course. So the US dollar Swiss franc currently is still going down. US dollar, Swiss franc. So let's see how we trade with that. And let's see, because there are 13 seconds left, and I think that it won't go up anytime soon. So we'll place the trade right now and to see how we trade with that. US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, we've lost our previous trade, and let's see how we trade right now. So I hope it will recover a bit. It had a Bollinger Bands outbreak. The RSI is down low. It's hitting support. But then again, you know that the craziest things happen in trading. Like, even if all your indicators would say, "Hey man, I'm good. We're gonna make this money," you know that it can happen that it won't go the way you wanted it to go. So I've seen a lot of movement and a lot of hammer candles right now. So I don't know what's going on with especially the GBP, but something is going on right now. So I think we won this trade. Yeah, we won it. And the euro US dollar down quickly, guys. Go with me. Euro US dollar down. Let's see how we trade with that. And let's see, guys. It's green till now, so I hope it stays green. Euro US dollar. I'm sorry, that is too much. It's a 60. It's kind of late. We're starting to make mistakes, so we'll end the session quite soon. And yeah, so let's see what will happen right now. We still have our trade in profit. So 9 seconds left. So 76. If it hits it, we have to go low. We have to go low again, but it didn't hit it. 72 still. So this is a win for sure. Yeah, we got it. So we are almost 200 euro in the money, and so I want to show you the GBP USD because what's going on is not normal at all. Well, look at this, guys. I hope the chart shows the same I'm seeing. Yeah, look at these spikes, man. What's going on? So the US dollar Swiss franc is making a downtrend. So if anyone wants to trade with the US dollar Swiss franc, you can right now because it's still busy with the downtrend. And it will recover anytime soon because it's quite hitting resistance. Let me see if it's hitting major resistance. Oh yeah, it's gonna hit major resistance. Major resistance is at 714 and it is 726 right now. So it probably will go down one more time, but then it will recover quickly. Oh, it's already recovering, guys. Look at this. It's already gone up with 20 pips approximately, and a spike up. Yeah, well, that's good to see that it's going down again, but it has resistance at 714. So if it's going to hit that level, then we will trade it. If it goes down a little bit more, we will also trade it. Let's just see. So it's a weird trading day for today. And okay, guys, so in my trading view chart, it is still going down. So preferably, oh damn, I'm too late. I just want to take that trade, but I'm too late now, so I'm just gonna wait for it to go down more. Oh yeah, it's hitting resistance right now. Support. I'm sorry, it's hitting support, so I'm gonna trade this one right now. Let's see what will happen for now, because it hit major support, and I'm just gonna prepare a double up trade in case anything happens. I think and I hope that this will be in the money, because it's hitting support, major support, very hard right now. And yeah, let's just see what's going to happen. So I hope you guys can learn how to draw lines, because lines are very important. I think we've won this trade. I don't think we can lose it anymore. Yeah, it's 20 pips in the money, so that is good. Okay, so so we're on 190 euro profit, and that is an additional add of 15% to our account. So we've added 15%. If you can add 10% every day to your account, that's more than enough, because that 10% will one day be like €1,000, $1,000 or whatsoever, or it can be even 10,000. So just trade as long as you can trade with the smallest amount. Always remember 2% of your balance. 2%. So when you have a deposit of 250 euro, you make a trade of €5 or $5 or whatsoever, you always trade with 2% of your balance. And if you have €1,000 or $1,000, you trade with 20 euros or $20. Always 2%, because then you can afford to make a lot of mistakes, and then you can afford to cover your loss until a very extreme level. And yeah, so let's see, guys. So from the beginning of our session, let's see, 28 right here. So this is what we did till now, and we had some losses, yeah, but we recovered them all, thank God. So I see that 2 people signed off already from our trade, so I think I'm going to call it a day. Still 3 traders left in our live webinar, and I think that there will not be any more movement till now. So okay, well, that is it, guys. I think I'm going to sign off. We made a profit of €200, approximately 193 to be exactly. And yeah, so it's a good end of the week. It's Friday, so I hope that we'll have a good week next week again. And remember, if you want our signals, which we provide like mostly for 5 or 10 minutes signals, please feel free to follow us to take our to take our trial for 2 signals, €25. You will receive 2 days of signals. If we have 2 bad days, you'll receive automatically the extra days. And if you don't have a broker yet, please feel free to apply to us for a 14-day free trial of 14-day free signals and 14-day free webinars, free trading webinars, which you can trade with real or with demo money, whatever you want. Just sign up right here, first name, last name, email, and phone. Send it, and we will get back at you within 60 minutes. So guys, I'm going to sign off. Thank you so much for your interest, and we hope to welcome you next week again, and we wish you a very good weekend. So guys, thank you so much, and this was Ben signing off. Salute.